1, 2, 3, let's go! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who it is, my name is Jazminsanjose, and I don't know why you don't know who I am, but we're gonna change that today. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to distress a t-shirt and how to bleach it. So if you have some old, wardrobe in your closet, an old regular, smegular black shirt, bring it out, honey. Get some bleach from downstairs from your mama and some scissors, and I can't fucking talk. I could never talk. I'm going to show you how to distress and bleach your shirt and, wake up brand new. Go to the thrift store, get some shirts like this. Plain shirts, and girl, I got you. I don't think you could do it. Oh, sorry, my arm hurts. I don't know if you could do this with like white shirts because I'm pretty sure bleach will just make it white. I don't know. I don't do that. But I'm using some black shirts, and it'll either change it to like a purple color after it's washed or an orange color depending on the material of the shirt. On one of mine I made it purple, and then today I'm going to be demonstrating one, live to you guys. So I will show you guys how that works out. Hi sister!
Oh my god.
Okay, so this is the first shirt that I made. So this is going to be the sample that, I'm going to be kind of following how I did this shirt today. Turn around. So this shirt, when I first got it from the thrift store, it was a full, passing your butt guy shirt. And turn around again. And now we bleached it and it turns kind of purple. And let me see. Pose. So we're going to be going from that look today. So the things you're going to be needing is some bleach from Chloracillin. Yeah, it's just regular bleach. You could get this at, I don't know, Target or something. Then I'm just going to be using an empty bottle of my Mario Badescu spray. I like using this one because I like the tap on it because, okay, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it has a really good, spray. That was just water inside there. And then I'm just going to be getting my scissors. So don't try me. But we're going to be using these scissors, and I'm just going to be cutting the shirt. I'm going to try to first measure it on my little sister and just kind of cut holes everywhere. And then after that, I'll put the bleach in here and I'll start bleaching afterwards. Okay, you guys, so here I am back with my little sister. So she, she modeled the shirt for me. I don't know if you could see the end. Maybe I'll have her stand up on a little chair or something. But what I'm going to be doing is, if you get a little closer, sister, let's see. We're just kind of, okay, honestly, let me point something out. You don't have to cut it like this. I'm only doing it like this just to show you guys. I mean, I'll do a few right here, and then from the back of the shirt, I'll do it, on the floor. Because you could do it on the floor and just, start cutting. But I'm just doing it like this just to show you guys and get to interact more. So what I'm going to be doing is, where should we cut holes? I would say one right here. So what I do is I just grab it like this. Let's get a little closer. Grab it like this, pinch it together, and I slightly make a hole. So as you see now, I have this little hole right here, okay? I have this little hole, and what I'm going to be doing is, boom, stretch it out. So, I know what we're going to do. So now we're going to be going for kind of like a, let's get you on focus first. We're going to be going for like a off-the-shoulder look, so we're going to stretch it a little more. Okay, so you see we got this down. So now my creative brain is going into function. So now we're going to do one right here and then another small one right here.
It's by your boob.
It's a little by your boob, but it's okay. So now we're going to grab another little piece. Maybe we'll just do two just so she won't get dress code. So now we got another little piece, and again, stretch out.
This is on your tit.
It's a little on your tit. At least your boobs will have a little air. And then after that, sister, don't do that. We're going to do some right here on the sleeve. So go on your tippy toes. Tip-a-toeing. So we're just going to do this first, and we're just going to cut, and I'm going to stretch out afterwards. So now I'm just kind of cutting all around. I don't know if you could see me doing that, but we're just cutting basically everywhere. So we'll start stretching this out. I'll start with the, the little sleeves right here. Rochelle, I'll do it. So we're starting right here. A little right there. You got two holes right there now. We're going to do a little one right here. Going to do it more closer up there. So now we have that. And then we have a little bit down here. I don't want this one too big. So we'll just do a little right there. A little more right there. And now we have this part down, and you can only see this part. So now I'm going to start on the bottom and show you guys on the floor. So now that I have the shirt down here, we're gonna start putting a little holes all around. So I'm not going in any specific order, so just kind of cutting anywhere. On this side, I am gonna do like 1, 2, 3, just to give it more of like a, I guess, girly type of feel. Or you could also start cutting like this if you want. And remember, this doesn't have to be perfect because at the end of the day, it's, you know, a distressed shirt. It's not really supposed to look perfect, and especially right now, it is going to be looking like a little weird just because, what is it called? It's on the floor. So we're just going to do a couple more right here. And my little sister's recording, so I hope she's recording good for you guys. Are you?
Zooming in so we can see the hole.
To what?
To see the holes.
Oh, okay. So far we have this down. Okay, so now that we have this down, you could show me. So, is it good lighting right there? Okay, so I'm gonna grab the bleach. Hopefully I don't drop it on myself because I don't want to look like some people. So don't drink this. Look at me. Do not drink this. This is not for kids. Don't do it. Anyways, so we have a little water, so I'll just, yeah, we'll dump that. And then we're just gonna put the bleach inside here. You shouldn't need too much, honestly, so I'm just gonna put about this much. I don't know if you could see how much I put in. It's maybe about up to here. So now we're gonna close that up, and we will go like this, and, you know, shake it up a little. Shake it up. Okay, so now we're gonna start slowly bleaching. And what I also like to do is I like to grab a little bit of the bleach like this. Are you showing? I like to kind of go like this, spray it everywhere. No, this is actually not showing up. Wait, the heck isn't it showing up? 2 secs, let's see. Okay, so we sprayed a little down there. Let's see if it'll do anything. Because from the looks of it, it's looking like it's doing nothing. So I'm just going to be spraying that in little dots so far all over the shirt. Oh yeah, it's starting to go. It's going to take a little while for it to form the orangeness, so don't worry, but I'm just being really messy with this, and I do have a towel under this. Okay, so I put on a lot of bleach on there, honestly. So now that it looks more like, you know, little splatters on there, and now I'm going to be adding a little more bleach to the can. Fuck, I hope I didn't fuck me. No, we're fine. No, it's looking good. It's looking a little extra bleachy now that you could see, but now we're just going to actually do it with the spray. So we're going to do it with the spray just to give it more of, not so much a dotty look. And now that I have this part down, we're going to go over to the other side. And as you can see, it starts bleaching the other side by itself. So you don't really have to do too much to this side. So I'm just going to spray it all around. And again, if I want, you know, more, I'll just go like that and it'll do it by itself. And now I'll go again to the other side and you'll see how it looks. And now you have this part down, and it looks really good, honestly, so far. I mean, it's not dry or anything, so once it gets dry, maybe it'll change colors or not. But I think so far it looks good. So I'll actually have my little sister try this on right now just to show you guys how it looks, okay? Okay, you guys, so Rochelle didn't want to try it on, so I tried it on for you guys. So it's been about 10 minutes. I know it's not fully dry yet. I am going to put it in the washer, but for the sakes of this video, I wanted to show you guys first beforehand. So it ended up looking like this. The color ended up actually really bright because, you know, at first I was kind of tripping out. I was like, fuck, like, this shit better turn out right or I'm going to be pissed. But it did. And then the back, it just looks like, you know, regular bleach, I guess. Little dots. I didn't really put too much in the back. It just came from the front since it was on the floor. It kind of just, you know, went through it. But it looks super cute. Let me try to, like, stand up. Oh my god, I hope I don't fall, but you get the point. It looks like that. It looks like this, and honestly, I like it. I mean, I feel like it looks very unique. This is my friend Raylene's shirt, actually, so shout out to her. I think her cousin, like, he or she sells merch or something like that, but I think it says like chino or something, but it's actually super cute. I really like how it turned out. And then right here you could see my little tattoo, this tattoo, and it looks super cute. Do you have a problem, Rochelle?
Yeah.
You're ugly and I never complain. So anyways, so I like it. It looks super cute. The color turned out nice, and you know, hold up, give me one sec. And this here, this will explain, you know, the color difference. So in this Vans shirt, you could tell that it's more purple compared to this one. This one's super like a, what color is this, Rochelle? Like an orange color. I mean, I'm not complaining. It looks super cool. Oops, drop that. It looks super nice. I like it. It looks nice. I would wear this out in public, you know, wear it with some, honestly, maybe like this with some thigh-high boots and call it a night. Go out with your friends, you know. But anyways, probably with that, or I'll do it with some high-waisted pants. And I mean, that's pretty much it for this. I like making shirts like this. I'm telling you, you could get a plain black shirt from the thrift store and make it into, you know, a bleach DIY shirt, and it'll look nice. Trust me, just, it's not hard. All you need is scissors, bleach, and what else did I use? Like, that's it. Scissors and bleach and a little spray bottle, and you could get a little bottle from anywhere around your house or at Target for like $1 or something. So honestly, I really like it. And if you do like this video, show me your pictures on Instagram. So if you do it, you know, DM me it or something, or, you know, email me a picture. I'll love to see your looks with it. But I mean, other than that, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see other videos like this of me being, you know, little creator, then just leave a comment down below. I think the next time I film, I'll probably do like, you know, high-waisted pants. So I'll take you guys to the thrift store with me. Hope to find some high-waisted pants or shorts and just distress them, or maybe make some pants into shorts and, you know, go from there on. But I hope you guys like this video, and make sure you know what to do. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next one. Do you have anything to say, Rochelle?
No.
She don't fuck with y'all, obviously, but I do. So I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye. I don't really care if you cry. Should never have to lie. I don't know how that song goes, so bye.